Many a times HR managers or administrators struggle to know the numbers of staff with the same birthday month so that they can organize a collective birthday for this staff each month. In this video, I would like to teach you how you can use Microsoft Excel function, a nested function, that is 2 or more functions, to be able to count the number of staff that have the same birthday in each month of the year. So this is an example. We have the date of birth of some of staff as a sample, and let me type the month of the year, January to December. So let me just take this down. Excel will capture that for me. So if I write it in full as January ending with Y, is going to capture that. So I want to use the first 3 letters. Now, how will I count the number of staffs that have their birthday in the month of January? So I need to use this formula, sum product. Before now, your understanding of sum product might be to be able to multiply numbers together. Let me show you this. The sum product is just to multiply numbers together. Let's say, for instance, I have quantity. I have quantity of product, and I have the price. So if I want to, so I can get, let me pick up a random numbers using the round between function. Round between function. Let's say the smallest is 12, while the highest is 75. Using the control enter function, I will have this. I can copy it and paste it as a number, and the price also I can have the price ranging from, using the round between function as well. So I'm just trying to explain the concept of sum product to you first before I now use it to be able to find the numbers of staff that have the same birthday in a particular month. So let's assume I have the price to be within 400 to 1000. So using the control enter, I will have different price lists. I want to copy and paste so that it won't continue changing. Right click. Let me highlight again. Right click, copy. Right click and paste as value. So if I want to know the total, if I have the quantity and the price. So normally, if you do the multiplication of the quantity multiplied by the price, you have this. So for you to know total sales, you can drag this down and you can find the auto sum. Using alt equals, you'll be able to get the auto sum, which in this case we have 401,831. So to get the same result, you can use the sum product, that is, find the product and sum it. And how do you do that? You just press equals sum product. You highlight, you can see array 1, you highlight the quantity first, comma, array 2, you highlight the price. So it's going to find the product between the quantity and the price and add everything together. Can you see? We now have the same result with what we have here. You can see the difference. You can see that we have the same value. So we're now going to use the sum product function. Sum product, but in a more technical way. To hyphen, you now use a text function. So your text function will take up value. So this value means you highlight all the date of birth. I will lock it, and after locking, looking at this function argument, what's the next thing there? I have the format text. So this case, I'm counting months, so I will use MMM. If I'm counting days, I'll be using DDD. If I'm counting year, I'll be using YYY. So I'm trying to count people that have same birth month. So having done this, I will close the bracket. But because I want to start with that of January, I will now open a parenthesis before the text function, and I will equate it equals to this Jan, and I'll close it twice. I'll press enter, and you can see the result, which is 6. So we now have 6 tabs having birthday in the month of January. So I will drag this down, and you can see for others.